Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the dongle model and current firmware so you avoid mismatched files. Plug it into a stable USB port and make sure your laptop has reliable power. Interruptions corrupt firmware. Next, download the official driver and firmware that exactly match model and operating system. Once done, extract the package and locate the firmware file and flashing utility. You will need administrative privileges, so sign in as an admin or prepare sudo access. This prevents permission errors during. Now you run the flashing utility with administrative rights so it can access the device. Close browsers, VPN, and network managers to prevent port conflicts. In the utility, select the correct firmware file and confirm the target dongle. Double-check the model name to avoid bricking another device. Start the flash and watch the progress indicator. Many tools show % complete and logs. If prompted to reboot the dongle or system, follow instructions. Make sure not to disconnect or power cycle the device while flashing. Finish by confirming the firmware version in Device Manager or the vendor utility so you know the update applied. Reinstall or update the driver if the network interface does not appear, and reboot the host system to reload network stacks. If connectivity is inconsistent, test the dongle on another computer or USB port and use a different USB cable or powered hub. One key troubleshooting tip: if flashing failed, revert to the original firmware or retry the exact matched package on the original OS environment to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.